Hello, friends! I'm Dr. Lena. Today, I want to share a fun story with you. My friend came to my hospital, but he had no idea I was working here. Can you imagine how surprised he was? Are you ready? Let's jump in and see what happens in this story. The surprise meeting.
Doctor, I've had a high fever for 2 days. I'm still weak. My throat hurts so much.
I see. You've really been feeling awful, haven't you?
Yeah, but why are you smiling like that?
Slowly removing mask, smiling warmly. Don't you remember me, Aryan?
Wait or what? Lena, is that really you?
Yes, it's me after all these years.
Oh my, I can't believe this. My best friend. My college best friend is standing right here in front of me, and she's my doctor.
And now I get to take care of you. Isn't that lucky?
Lucky. I think this is unbelievable. I mean, what are the chances?
Life has a funny way of surprising us sometimes.
Wow, I don't even know what to say. I missed you so much.
I missed you too, Aryan, seeing you here. It's really unexpected, but also nice.
And to think, I walked in here just because of my fever. And now I get to meet my best friend again?
Don't get too comfortable. You still need treatment. Your fever isn't going to heal itself.
Okay, Dr. Lena, I'll behave. But seriously, this is too much. I can't stop smiling.
Some things never change. Your grin, for example, still the same old Aryan.
And you, still smiling, even as a strict doctor. Just like old times.
Old times indeed, but now I'm here to make sure you get better, not just laugh at your jokes.
Oh, I feel betrayed.
Don't worry, I'll be both, your strict doctor and your old friend.
I can't believe this. I mean, meeting you like this, it feels like a dream.
Well, dreams do come true sometimes. Now, let's check your temperature and see how bad that fever really is. Admission and care? Aryan, your fever is still high. I think you need to stay here for at least 2 days for proper rest and treatment.
Oh no, my best friend doctor is putting me in the hospital. Lucky me or unlucky me.
Don't act smart. I'm serious. You need rest, fluids, and care, and I'm the one giving it.
Okay, I trust you, Dr. Lena, but don't make it too strict. I'm still your old friend, remember?
Old friend or not, I'm still a doctor first. No excuses.
Fine, but only if you promise not to laugh at my weak patient face too much.
No promises. You're too funny to resist.
Admission complete. Room is ready.
Wow, I'm officially a patient of Dr. Lena. Does this make me VIP?
VIP or not, you're staying in the room. That's non-negotiable.
All right, lead the way, Dr. VIP.
This way, Mr. Unbelievably Sick. Let's make sure you get better quickly, or I'll make you do push-ups in bed.
Push-ups? In this state? You're cruel, Lena.
Strict doctors are always a little cruel, but only for your own good.
I know, and somehow, I'm happy it's you taking care of me.
I'm happy too. Now rest, drink water, take the medicines, and maybe try to stop talking so much.
I'll try, but no promises.
That's more like it. Late afternoon, Aryan is resting. Dr. Lena checks on him.
You know, Lena, I still can't believe we're meeting like this.
Yeah, it feels surreal. I never expected my old best friend to be my patient.
Remember college days, all those late-night study sessions? And the time we both tried to pull an all-nighter and failed miserably.
Oh, I remember. You were asleep before midnight, and I ended up finishing all the assignments alone.
Hey, I was helping, in my own style.
Helping by snoring loudly and spilling coffee on the notes, you mean?
That was a minor accident. Not my fault the coffee cup betrayed me.
Haha, you never change, Aryan. Always ready to blame someone else.
And you, always smiling, even when you were annoyed with me. That never changed either.
Some things shouldn't change. Our friendship, for example.
Yeah, I miss this, missed you, all these years.
I missed you too, Aryan. Life just took us on different paths. But now, we're here again.
So, does this mean I get extra care for being your best friend?
Maybe, but only if you behave.
Deal, I'll behave mostly.
Good. Now, enough nostalgia. You still need rest and medicines, but it's nice to laugh again like old times.
Yeah, our old times feel really good right now. Especially with my best friend as my doctor.
And I'm glad I'm the one taking care of you. Hospital room, the next morning. Aryan is feeling a bit better.
Lena, there's someone I really want you to meet today.
Oh? Who is it? Another patient?
No, much more special than that.
I'm intrigued. Who is this special person?
Lena, this is my girlfriend.
Hi, Dr. Lena. I've heard so much about you.
Nice to meet you. Aryan talks about you all the time.
Told you, I wasn't joking about someone special.
Oh, I see. So this is the person who's been keeping you out of trouble?
I try my best, but trust me, Aryan still finds ways.
Hey, that's not true.
Looks like some things never change, even with a girlfriend in the picture.
You'll like her, Lena, I promise.
I already do. She seems really sweet. Just like you said.
I'm glad you finally met. Feels like everything's coming together after so many years.
Yes, it really does. Now, you both relax while I check your temperature?
Relax, or strict doctor mode will start again.
Both. I can't help myself. Hospital room, 2 days later. Aryan is feeling much better and preparing to leave. Aryan, your fever is gone. You're officially healthy again.
Finally, thanks to my favorite doctor and best friend.
Favorite doctor, huh? Don't forget the strict side of me helped too.
Of course, the strict doctor is the best part.
You two are something else. I've never seen him smile this much.
He's always had that smile. Just needed a little reminder.
I can't thank you enough, Lena, meeting you like this. It feels like the universe gave me a gift.
You don't have to thank me, Aryan. Seeing you healthy, that's enough.
Well, don't get too used to being my doctor. I might just visit you whenever I want.
I'll be ready, but only if you follow my rules.
Deal, and let's not wait another decade to meet again, okay?
Deal.
I think I like your doctor friend already, as long as she takes good care of you.
Oh, she does the best care in the world.
All right, you two. Go home and rest properly. And remember, friendship and health both matter.
I won't forget. Thanks again, Lena. See you soon.
Bye, Aryan. Take care. And that's the story, friends. Isn't it amazing how life can surprise us? Meeting Aryan after so many years reminded me how important friendship is. I hope you enjoyed this story and also learned some English with me today. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Beginner English Zone, and please leave your comments below. I love reading them. See you in the next story, and keep practicing your English every day.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.